Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and having good health. Class 4, this is your maths period and I am your maths teacher Miss Faiza Tahir and it's your lecture number 17. As class we have started our unit number 2 which is factors and multiples and I have already told you about factor. So what is factor? A factor is a number which divides a number without leaving any remainder. एक नंबर जो दूसरे नंबर को completely डिवाइड करता है और कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं बचता, then it means it is that factor, the factor of that number. Now we have an example here. Factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But the question is here, how to find out the factors? Before explaining to you, I am going to tell you one more important thing. And the important point is that every number is a factor of 1 in itself. It means कोई भी number है, let's suppose 6. 6 is a factor of 1, okay, and itself. Itself means 6, okay. So number 1 is also a factor of every number. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 ना ही prime number कहलाता है और ना ही composite कहलाता है, okay. So how to find out the factors of any number? Here we have factors of 12. We are going to explain how to find out the factors of 12. So to find out the factors of any number, first we have to look at the numbers of which 12 is multiple of, okay. So here we have 12 divided by 3 is equal to 1 as 1 and itself. As every number is factor of 1 and itself, so we know that we have to write 1 and 12. After 1, what is the least number? Because we will start from the least number. The least number is 2. And we have to look that, is 12 a multiple of 2? Yes, 12 is a multiple of 2. 2 6s are 12. So 12 is a multiple of 2. So we can say that 2 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. Clear? Now after 2 we have 3. Number 3. We have to look at that 12 is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes, 12 is a multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 12. After 3 we have 4. Number 4. So is 12 a multiple of 4? Yes, 12 is a multiple of 4. 4 3s are 12. So 4 is a factor of 12, we can say. After 4, the number is 5. Is 12 a factor of 5 class? No, because 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. There is no 12, okay, in 5 times table. So, class 12 is not a multiple of 5. So, 5 is not a factor of 12. Now, what comes next? The next number is 6 and we have to look at number 6 whether 12 is a multiple of 6. Yes, because 6 2s are 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. So 6 is a factor of 12. Yes, 6 is a factor of 12. Now what comes next? The next number is 7. Class, is 12 is a multiple of 7? Look at the 7 times table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. No, there is no 12. So class, 12 is not a multiple of 7. So we can say that 7 is not a factor of 12. So what comes next? After 7, we have 8. And we have to look at 8 times table. Is 12 a multiple of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So there is also no 12 here. So class, 12 is not a multiple of 8 and 8 is not a factor of 12. So after 8 we have 9. Similarly, 9 is not a factor of 12. And after 9 we have 10, and 10 is also not a factor of 12. So after 10 we have 10, 11, and 11 is also not a factor of 12. So in last, as we say, the number itself is also a factor of, every number is a factor of itself. So 12 is also a factor of itself, as 12 ones are 12. So 12 is a multiple of 12. So 12 is a factor of 12. Clear? So class, these are the factors of 12. And I hope you have better understood how to find out the factors. So class, we have two types here. Like prime numbers. First is. Okay. So what is prime numbers, class? Here we have definition. Numbers which have only two different factors, one and itself, are called prime numbers. वो नंबर्स जिसके सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर्स हों, वो कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं? प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके, हियर वी हैव एन एग्जांपल हियर, एंड द एग्जांपल इज फैक्टर्स ऑफ 17. क्लास, as 17 is not a multiple of any other number except 1 and itself. Itself means 17. 17 cannot be divided completely by another number without any remainder. So it is only a multiple of 1 and itself. So it has only two factors, 1 and itself. Similarly, 23 has only two factors, 1 and itself. The numbers which has only two factors are called prime numbers. Okay. And the next is composite numbers. So class, composite numbers are all numbers except the number 1. Number 1 को छोड़कर बाकी तमाम numbers. All the numbers except the number 1 have at least 3 or more different factors. कम से कम उसके 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा जितने मर्जी हो सकते हैं. At least 3, कम से कम 3 फैक्टर्स होना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो जिसके at least 3 फैक्टर्स होंगे वो कौन से नंबर्स कहलाते हैं? They are called composite numbers. Okay, and where we have an example, factors of 25. Class, as you already know that every number is a factor of 1 and itself. So it's clear, and we already know that we have to write 1 and 25. Okay, because 25 is a factor of 1 and itself means 25. So we have to look at the least number. Is 25 is a factor of 2? No. Is 25 is a factor of 3? No. Is 25 is a is 25 is a multiple of 2? No. Is 25 is a multiple of 3? No. Is 25 is a multiple of 4? No. Is 25 is a multiple of 5? Yes. 5 5s are 25. So class, 25 is a multiple of 5. So we can say that 5 is a factor of 25. Okay. Similarly class, We have factors of 14 and these are 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. It means these number 14 is a composite number. Okay. Now class, let's start our copy work. And it is page number 28, question number 4 complete. Sorry, not copy work. It's your book work. You have to do it on your books. Write P for prime number and C for composite number. क्लास हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ये प्राइम है या कॉम्पोजिट है? So to find out whether it is a prime number or composite number, first we have to find out the factors. Okay. So as we already know, every number is a factor of 1 and itself 15. ठीक है? Now after 1 the least number is 2. Is 15 a multiple of 2? No. Is 15 a multiple of 3? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So class, 15 is a multiple of 3. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 15. We will write 3 here. Now after 3 we have 4. Is 15 a multiple of 4? No. 15 is not a multiple of 4. So we can say that 4 is not a factor of 15. After 4 we have 5. Is 15 a multiple of 5? Yes. 5 3s are 15. So class, we can say that 5 is a factor of 15. We will write here 5. And after that we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These all numbers are not factor of 15 because 15 is not a factor of these all numbers. 15 is not a multiple of these all numbers. Okay. So these are 4 numbers, 4 factors. So we can write C here. This is composite number because composite numbers have at least 3 or more factors. Now class, I am going to do part H for you, and part H is number 37. So class, what are the factors of number 37? As we all know, every number is a factor of 1 and itself. So class, we have to look for the least number after 1. So we will look for 2. Is 37 a multiple of 2? No. Is 37 multiple of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on? No. 37 is not a multiple of any number except 1 and itself means 37. So class, it has only 2 factors. Okay. So we will write, as it has only 2 factors, so 37 is a prime number. So we will write P here. Okay class. Now I am going to solve part N for you, and students, you have to do all the remaining parts by yourself. Okay. Now class, we have factors of 33. We have to write 1 and 33 first because 33 is a factor of 1 and itself, and after 1 we have 2. 33 is not a multiple of 2, so 2 is not a factor of 33. 33 is a multiple of 3. Yes. 3 11s are 33. As class, 33 is a multiple of 3. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 33. 3 is a factor of 33. So we will write 3 here. Okay. Now class, after 3 we will look for the number 4. Is 33 a factor or multiple of 4? No. Is 33 a multiple of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? No. 33 is not a multiple of any number like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now class, look for 11. Is 33 a multiple of 11? Yes. How? कैसे? 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. So 33 is a multiple of 11. 33 is a multiple of 11. So we can say that 11 is a factor of 33. 11 is a factor of 33. We will write 11 here. And after 11 we have to look at 12, 13, 14. The number still 33. So there is no any other number which is factor of 33. So we have only 4 factors of 33. So 4 factors of 33 means it is a composite number. 33 is a composite number. So class, I have solved 3 parts for you and I hope you have better understood the concept. Okay. So class, you have to do all the remaining parts by yourself, as it is so easy for you if you have better understood the definitions and the way to solve the answer. Okay. So class, this is your C-work and you have to write neatly on your books, and the remaining parts like question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks, question number 2 is true false, and question number 3 is choose the right answer. You have to do these all parts by yourself. Okay, it's so easy class. And students, for today your homework is learn table 2 of factors. Okay. I am writing here your diary. Learn table 2 of factors. On the page on which table 1 is already written, and the page is, I think, page number 23. So class, this is your lecture for today.